Yeah, so hello everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel crypto underscore rock. So basically, I'm creating this video regarding just want to let you know what is the market current situation of crypto market. Let me quickly share the trading view chart. Okay, so right now you can see maximum coin is green status, so few coin I will recommend you so you can invest the money. But yes, this is not my financial advisor from our end, but it's for my analysis. You can invest the money. So basically, so there is a like fart coin is a good coin. It's from my opinion. So right now it is already increased 25%, so opposed moving 25%, so it is not giving down. It means we have so we can consider as a good coin. So also can invest in SPX coin. It's a good coin. Also, as you can see, Bitcoin is I think it already reached 89k levels. Now it is running with 88.7k level, so it is good for us. So you can invest the money or you can use the leverage 2x, so which I am doing basically. Was why? Because 2x I'm telling, because I mostly whatever I invest the money, so with the 2x leverage, because I don't want to, because this is the crypto kind. So suddenly one single spike will be come back and my whole money would be liquidated. So to avoid such thing, so we can use a 2x level. Either we can invest the money in spot trading, that would be good for us. So few coins is there. So these meme coins you can invest the money basically. So there is a my favorite coin is fart coin, popcorn coin, and so co coins. So don't invest the money, because it is I'm telling this is doing seems like a scam. So because I started like 1 to 2 days back, we can see it was reached approximate, I think approximate 0.7 level. So later it was suddenly downgraded. Yeah, where is, yeah, yeah, it's there. It's there. It was reached 0.07 level. Then suddenly it caused it went to down 0.47. So it seems like doing the scam. So do not invest money. You need to just avoid to invest such types of token, because these tokens are too much risky. And you can invest the money in Suicon also. This is the very good coins. And because this is the basically it's a good coin for analysis. You can invest the money here. So this is my suggestion is there. Also you can see Bitcoin dominance is going to down, which is good for us. It means we can invest money here. So this is my things over there. So please follow my page and subscribe my YouTube channel. So that's it. Thank you so much.